let's buy Safemoon. Well, here we go again, guys. My name is David Hughes Jr. and in today's video I'll be showing you how to buy Safemoon. Now before we get into it, all I'm gonna say is buy at your own discretion. Do this on your own knowledge. I'm not responsible for any of you guys' decisions. I am not a financial advisor. Now let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is download Trust Wallet. Now I will say this before we get into it, there will be fees with the Trust Wallet method. There are a couple other methods out there, but this is the easiest and the fastest way to do it without rattling your brain and trying to figure out different things. So first thing we're going to do, download Trust Wallet. So we already have it downloaded. So here we go. All we're gonna do is open it. Now, if you're on Android, which I am on Android, okay. If you are on Android, all you have to do is hit the look in the top right corner. You see the two prongs kind of going like that. Hit that, and then type in Safemoon, and then there it is. You can toggle it on and off. Make sure it's on. Okay. If you're on iOS, all you need to do is go to your internet browser, which I have it pulled up right here. Type in trust, type that in right there, trust browser underscore enable, and that will allow you to do the same thing I just did. So once you hit that, it'll take you to a page where you should be able to do the same thing I just did, and that is toggle Safemoon on. And this is so you can see your Safemoon, see that you are actively participating in Safemoon. A lot of cryptos are going down right now. I'm not worried about that. But anyways, I bet you're looking at it like, wow, things are going, look at that, all these are going down, down, down. Anyway, so once you do that, you're almost done already. Next, you have to buy smart chains. Okay, you see smart chain right here. This is what you want to buy because this is what you're going to convert. So just click on smart chain right here and hit buy, and then there is a limit. The limit, I think right now, is $100 to actually buy. Like if I type in 50, it says not available. So if I type in 100, it says available. So I believe you had to do at least $100. Just throwing it out there. It may be different on iOS. I'm not sure. I'm on an Android, but if it does not let you buy smart chain straight up, you'll have to buy BNB, which you can convert later into smart chain. So just buy BNB. If it don't let you buy smart chain, buy BNB, and then you want to go to DEX, and then you'll see how you can convert BNB into the BNB smart chain. So you'll type in your BNB. I don't have any, but I'm just giving you the way to do it if you had to buy BNB, or if you already have BNB, right, and you want to convert it to smart chain. This is how you do it. So put your BNB in here, and then you just hit BNB smart chain, and then swap it out. It's a one-to-one swap, so you'll get the exact same amount. You'll just have the smart chain version of it. So now that you have BNB smart chain, next you go to wallet. Okay, go to DEX apps, and then scroll down until you see Pancake swap. Right, hit Pancake swap. Once you get the Pancake swap, it's easy from here. All you have to do is click right here where it says BNB. Make sure it's on BNB. Okay, hit BNB, then select what you want. You want Safemoon, hit Safemoon. Okay, and then it tells you the instructions. This is what I'm talking about, the fees right here, and it is a fee in order to put money into your wallet. I'm gonna show you guys that too, if you don't have any BNB. But anyway, so all you have to do is where it says 5%. Okay, I understand. Hit continue. Okay, boom. Once you hit continue, it took me out. Once you hit continue, you can go here, and you want to make sure your tolerance is at least on 12. And then if you get an error message, if you get any type of error message, go back here and then go to 13. If you get it again, go to 14. Okay, it let me do it on 12, but I've seen some people, they had to go 13 or 14 or even 15 in order to get it to swap. And so then it'll swap. But let's just say you don't have any money in your wallet, and you just bought the smart chain. I just want to give you guys a couple of things to look out for and a couple things to think about. If you just buy smart chain straight up, once you hit next and all of that, it'll tell you the fees associated with that. And sometimes it can take anywhere from a couple of minutes to a couple of hours in order to have the transaction go through, just depending on who you bank with and different things like that. It really took me like 5 minutes. It took no time at all, but for you it may be different. So if you're not noticing that you have the BNB, that is something to keep in mind. But that is how you do it. Make sure you buy smart chain. Make sure it's smart chain. And like I said, go to Dex app, go to Pancake Swap, and swap it over. Now, I've also heard this, people saying that it's not showing up. Give this maybe an hour or two to show up as well. And then go back over to your wallet and make sure that the BNB is taken out. If it's not taken out, you may have to do the process over again in terms of going back to Pancake Swap and trying to do it that way. But I try to make this as short as possible. A lot of tutorials out there are very, very long, so I'm gonna end this video right now. But if you have any questions on how to buy Safemoon, just let me know down in the comment section below, and I will do my best to help everybody buy Safemoon who's trying to buy Safemoon. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you are new. Hit that like button, and also, you know what I'm saying, hit the bell notification so you get notified when I upload a video. Thank you. Have an amazing day.